Welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. And I got this gift from a honeybee of mine. And it's a glass Kshioe. I don't know how to say it. But I love lights. So she gave me lights and I love lights. So I want to share it with you. This is from Modern Expressions. And now we got to share. So let's open it up and see how pretty it is inside. Nice dome and a nice solid base, and it has string lights right here, and at the bottom it takes 3 batteries. So I'm gonna put the batteries in. 3 AAA batteries. And there's the light. And there's the dome. And I could get ahead and unstring it and string it around. So then this way you can see the beauty of the lights. So I'm going to design something with this. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee. Hi, honeybees.